Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 12, Lesson 74. The apostrophe is a tiny mark, but it does two big jobs. It shows possession, who owns what, and it stands in for missing letters in a contraction. Today we'll learn where it goes and, just as important, where it must never go. Let's lay out the two jobs. Job 1. The apostrophe shows possession, that something belongs to someone. The dog's bone means the bone of the dog. Job 2. The apostrophe marks dropped letters in a contraction. Do not, squeezed together, becomes don't, with the apostrophe where the O was removed. So every apostrophe is doing one of two things, showing ownership or marking missing letters. For possession, look at the noun first. There are three cases. Case 1. A singular noun adds apostrophe S, the dog's bone. Case 2. A plural that does not end in S also adds apostrophe S. Children doesn't end in S, so it's the children's room. Case 3 is the one people miss. A plural that already ends in S takes an apostrophe alone, nothing after it. So with many dogs, it's the dog's bones. Now the second job, contractions. A contraction squeezes two words into one, and the apostrophe marks where letters were dropped. Do not becomes don't, the apostrophe sitting where the O disappeared. It is becomes its, with the apostrophe replacing the I in is. So in a contraction, the apostrophe is a little flag that says, letters used to be here. And that idea is the key to the biggest trap of all. Here are the traps that catch everyone. First, its versus its. Its, with no apostrophe, is the possessive. The dog wagged its tail. But its, with an apostrophe, only ever means it is. Possessive pronouns never take an apostrophe. Second trap. A plain plural takes no apostrophe at all. 3 apples is just apples. Apples with an apostrophe would mean owning something. So if you only mean more than one, leave it out. So here's your quick check. Before you write an apostrophe, ask 3 things. 1. Does this word own something? If yes, it's a possessive, so add apostrophe S, or an apostrophe alone for a plural ending in S. 2. Is it really 2 words, like it is or do not? Then it's a contraction. 3. Does it just mean more than one? Then it's a plain plural with no apostrophe at all. Owns, 2 words, or just many. Let's try a few. In this first set, choose the correct possessive form. Look at the noun. Is it singular, a plural without S, or a plural that already ends in S? That decides where the apostrophe goes. Pause and try each one before I answer. The den belongs to the foxes, more than one fox. Foxes is a plural, and it already ends in S, so we add only an apostrophe, nothing after it. Foxes, apostrophe. So the answer is foxes. The team belongs to the women. Now careful, women is already plural, but it does not end in S, so we add an apostrophe plus S, just like a singular. Women's. So the answer is women's. The locker belongs to Charles, one person. Charles is singular, even though the name ends in S. Singular nouns add an apostrophe plus S, so we write Charles's. So the answer is Charles's. Now choose the sentence that uses apostrophes correctly. Watch for 2 things, the its versus its trap, and plain plurals that should have no apostrophe at all. Pause and try each one. The wheel belongs to the lock, so we want the possessive. The possessive its has no apostrophe. The version with an apostrophe, its, means it is, which makes no sense here. So the answer is, the lock turns on its wheel. Here, farmers simply means more than one farmer. It doesn't own anything, so it's a plain plural with no apostrophe. So the answer is, the plow helped farmers grow crops. This one has two apostrophes to get right. Its here means it is, so it's a contraction. And the tools belong to humankind, so humankind's is possessive. Both need apostrophes. So the answer is, it's one of humankind's oldest tools. Let's wrap up. The apostrophe has two jobs. For possession, add apostrophe s to a singular noun and to a plural that does not end in s. But add only an apostrophe to a plural that already ends in s. For contractions, the apostrophe marks the dropped letters. Do not becomes don't. It is becomes its. And remember the traps. Possessive pronouns like its, hers, and theirs never take an apostrophe, and a plain plural never takes one either. Owns, two words, or just many. Great work!